So at first, what I wanted to share with you all today is that today in the morning when I was getting ready, I was really happy. And the reason behind my happiness is that it's winter season that's going on. And I love to get ready during winters, like wearing blazers and sweaters and everything. It's so comfy, right? And then my happiness was boosted up when I realized that Christmas was coming. Christmas season is coming, and that's one of my favorite part of the year. As I was celebrating my happiness, I suddenly realized something, and then my happiness was down there. Because there's this another season that's coming this month. Can anybody guess what season I'm talking about? Examination? That's totally correct. वैसे एग्जाम से याद आया किस किस का अटेंडेंस लो है? Okay, I see a few hands over there. Have you ever thought why so? Because you certainly failed to attend your classes on time, right? Why not resolve it and face no attendance issues? I know change cannot be acquired in a day or two, but why don't you start attending your classes on time from today, then repeat that tomorrow and day after tomorrow, and that way it becomes a routine. Right? A disciplined life, I would say. And talking about discipline, discipline is something that has changed my life. From a person with zero goals, discipline has brought ambitions in my life. So back in high school, I was this person who had zero focus on career. I had a very messy time schedule, and my assignments were always due. My teachers used to scold me, and my parents were basically not satisfied with my academics. However, my father used to always mention the word discipline. He always told me and my brother that I'm giving you guys everything you want, and in return, I don't need anything for myself, but I just want you guys to have a good life, a disciplined life. At first, I ignored whatever he said. I was like, "Eh, hoga, papa hai, bolenge," and the famous term that we use nowadays, brown parents. So I was like, "That ho jayega." But the moment I moved out of my house, I came here to study. A whole new city away from my parents. I was like, I need to take my own responsibilities. And that's when I realized whatever he advised me. Trust me, I was a mediocre student back in school. Even I was a very irresponsible student till first semester. And no one other than my mentor teacher sir could agree to this, because I remember sir once gave us to write a feature article. He taught us how to write a feature article. Then he asked us like 3 to 4 times to write it. And guess what? I never wrote it. So see how irresponsible I was. But from the day I started scheduling my things, I started noticing a lot of change in me. And by scheduling, what I learned is multitasking. So there's this very basic thing that happens to me. I don't know if that happens to all of you. Is that दिन में अगर बहुत सारे काम हैं करने के लिए, and by the end we are like, ये छोड़ो इसको कल करते हैं. The next day I feel more pressurized and overloaded with work. And उसी चक्कर में पहले दिन में I can't sleep properly. And even in the morning when I wake up, I'm like, oh, I got so many work to do, irritating and stuff. But अगर मैं उस काम को उसी वक्त पूरा कर लूँ, then at least रात को I can sleep properly. And the next morning when I wake up fresh. So that's the satisfaction a disciplined life has given me, and you can acquire that too. Another important thing that I've learned is that if we have the will to do something, we can definitely do that. Because I realized is that I was to some extent disciplined when it comes to co-curricular activities. So back in high school, I used to play sports. And for sports practice, I used to wake up early in the morning. And even I learned swimming for a year. And for a year, I used to wake up 5 in the morning. And even during lockdown, I used to wake up on time so that I can go cycling with my friends. But जब पढ़ाई करना होता था, क्लास के लिए उठना होता था, उस वक्त अगर कोई साइड में आके ढोल भी बजा के जाए तो I wouldn't wake up. I was like that. So at a point I realized that if I can wake up for my sports practice, why can't I wake up from my classes? If I can do this, why not this? So I was like, let me take baby steps first. So how I started is that I thought at least सुबह जल्दी उठते हैं and class time पे पहुँचते हैं. That's how I started, and now I can say that I have come a long way. And trust me, we need discipline wherever we go, whatever we do, whether it's co-curricular activities or academics. And there's this beautiful quote that I found in one of my seniors' phone one day, which says, "A talent without discipline is worthless." And lastly, as I've mentioned earlier also, change cannot be acquired in a day or two. You start today, you succeed tomorrow. Thank you so much. Have a great day.